Hello friends, welcome to our video on the 10th grade Unit 1 vocabulary lesson, A Letter to God from the NCERT syllabus. Vocabulary Light words. Today we'll learn some fun vocabulary words that start with light. You might have come across words like light fingered before. It means someone who is inclined to steal things, but there are many more light words to discover. For example, light year. A light year is a unit of distance used to measure distance in space. The dash is a unit of distance used to measure distance in space. Answer light year. Light duty. This is a light duty truck. It's lighter and uses less diesel, perfect for small jobs. The farmer bought a dash truck to transport their produce as it uses less diesel. Answer light duty. Light hearted. When we have an easy-going conversation, it's called light-hearted. No worries, just fun. We had a fairly dash discussion with our colleagues. Answer light-hearted. Light-headed. Rita felt light-headed after skydiving, which means she was feeling dizzy. Rita felt dizzy and dashed after skydiving. Answer light-headed. Light sleepers. And some people are light sleepers. Even the smallest sound wakes them up. He is a dash. The slightest noise makes him. Answer light sleeper. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more language tips and lessons.